All right, guys, so we're outside of a Perry Homes right here in Elyson, here in Katy, Texas. This one's gonna be the model home. I'm gonna tour you throughout this property. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it so that way you know exactly what to look for, what not to look for, and all the upgrades. And if you want more information about this particular model, link in the description below, and let's get into it. All right, guys, so let's get into this. So this is the Perry Homes 2737 W floor plan. The reason why it's 2737 is because that is the amount of square footage it comes with standard. As you're looking outside, what you're going to notice from the exterior is that you're going to have the white brick plus the multi-tone stone. And then now you're going to be heading into the front porch, covered front porch, and then you have the glass panels in the door. There was some folks touring this property as well, so I blurred out her face. But what you're going to notice is you have the high 12-foot ceilings in here as well. Study is going to be right here to the left. You have that wooden beam going across, gives it that nice touch. Recessed lighting in here for a lot extra lighting as well. It's great space. So you're noticing the large windows. So some of these windows, they come like this. Some you can request other options, but this is what we're going to be working with on the model home. And I wanted to pan a full view of the entirety of the study so that way you can see how much room you're working with. Then you're going to have a little storage area right here. This is going to be great if you have some things to file, things like that, or put some golf clubs in there, sneak off without having to go to the other side of the house. Now we're going to look at some of the furniture. I just wanted you to see some ideas. So they have a great looking shelf right here, put some books right here, some decorations, things like that. You're going to have the 5-inch baseboards all along throughout the entirety of the home as well. Now we're going to be heading to the first bedroom. So you're going to notice 2 bedrooms are right next to each other. And this is going to be your first bath. Great backsplash right there. High ceilings in here as well. It gives it that roomy feeling. And you're going to notice the white cabinetry as well. The flooring is great except for the bedrooms. You're going to have some plush carpet. And look at this. Great gold lighting fixtures right there. Sometimes some people may want the ceiling fans in here. Depends on what kind of person you are. Whenever your kids are in the room or whoever's staying in this room, if they get hot, it may be an option for you to just go ahead and put the ceiling fan in there. It's wired for ceiling fans as well. And this is going to be the closet. Nice size closets, pretty standard for the most part. Gives you enough room to have all you need to have in the closet. And then as you can see, with the furniture in there, you have enough for a good size furniture set. Now we're gonna head to the next bedroom, and this one's great size as well. Fantastic size as well. Now you can see this one does have the ceiling fan in there. In my personal opinion, in these rooms, the ceiling fans, look pretty good, but let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you like the ceiling fans or the lighting fixtures in the bedrooms? So you're gonna have your great size bedrooms in here as well. They had it decorated as a nursery, so it gives you an idea. Look, you have the lamp, you have the crib in there, you have the same size closet, high ceilings, 12-foot ceilings again. And that's one of those great benefits about these rooms. You want to make sure that you have ample space for whoever decides to live in there. Now we're going to be heading down a little bit closer. So the first thing I'm going to pan is to the double sliding doors. Great accent, great addition to this property. This can be a den, or you can make it a game room, maybe a media room. That would be an option for you, but it just depends. A lot of people would just go ahead and use this as a den and maybe take the doors off. The doors can just stay open like that, just give it that nice feel. And the thing is, if you were to add a dining table in here, you can tell that you have plenty of space as well, but you can do whatever you want. Great accent right there. Lighting fixture looks perfect. So this one, of course, having the lighting fixture is a great addition in my opinion. And then now we're going to go to powder room / half bath. Nice size half bath for guests coming in. Great lighting fixtures as well in there. Now we're going to head into the utility room / laundry room. Great size as well. You have ample storage space. They use it as a, copier room, or have the filing cabinets in there. Now we're going to be panning into the living room. You have the oversized ceiling fans in here. You have your fireplace right there with a nice ledge, and then open to the kitchen. You have the kitchen with the island in there. You have the light cabinetry, has that light gray with the quartz countertops with the backsplash matching the countertops. And then you have the stainless steel appliances. You're gonna have your gas cooktop built in. And the one thing that I really like about these cabinets is the cabinet crowns on top. A lot of times you may not notice it, but that's one of those additional touches that just gives it that pop. And now as we do so, we're gonna pan to here to the left, and what you're gonna notice is the great lighting fixtures hanging over the island, and you have plenty of storage space as well. And then you have your tall windows, so this is gonna give it that natural light. So if you can only imagine eating breakfast here with the entire family every single morning, sipping some coffee, and then right after heading outside to the covered patio. But this is going to pan and give you a great idea of how large this is. Has a great feel. You have the recessed lighting throughout as well in here. You're just going to have that massive space, because now you couple that with the higher ceilings, you're in for a treat. Now you're gonna have your pantry, great size pantry, has enough room in there, gets the job done without a doubt. And in my opinion, having a smaller pantry gives you enough time or enough room to have it organized at all times. And then now we're gonna head into the primary bedroom. Again, this is a 4-bedroom property. The 4th one is closer by the front door, so we'll get to that a little bit later. But as you're noticing, you have a great size primary bedroom, wonderful lighting fixture up here with 3 windows that gives you enough sunlight inside the room. You have that accent on the back wall that adds a nice touch to it. And based on my experience, I usually get about 60% of my clients that hate carpet in the rooms, and about 40% that love carpet. So let me know in the comments what you think about carpet in bedrooms. And I wanted to make sure that I panned in here. Keep in mind, you're gonna have the 5-inch baseboards right there. And the one thing that a lot of clients desire and they love about some of these model homes is that you can see the simplicity of some of the furniture that they put in here. Sometimes you really don't need a lot. You just need a couple nightstands with a dresser and a bed with a headboard, and you're good to go. Now we're going to be going into the primary bathroom. So now you're going to have that oversized window again going into your shower. Plus you have your tub right here. Great size tub with the tile surrounding it, plus on the floor. So you have the matching tile, and you have great size. So you're going to have the his and her sink as well. So, a lot of my fellas, I know a lot of women don't like to use your side of the sink. So now you got your separate side. You don't have to get into any arguments whatsoever. Now you have another closet for some linens, towels, maybe, medicine, anything like that. And then now as I pan around, that's going to be her sink right there. So if you can buy this property, that's going to be her sink. We've already called it. She already knows. And then I want to make sure that you see inside of the shower. So you got ample amount of space. The good thing is you have that outlet right there, recessed lighting. So really that outlet is to make sure you let off some steam. Sometimes, you don't want to have it too steamy in there because it might get too hot and get too unpleasant. You can't breathe as much. Now we're going to head into the closet. So this is going to be the closet right here. Great size closet. That's one thing, you want to make sure that you have ample space for his and hers as well. Or if you just have a lot of things to put away, you have plenty of space for storage. So yeah, as you can see, you still have the high ceilings in here as well. So you're going to notice that theme throughout the entirety of the house. You have the high ceilings, which again gives you that comfortable, roomy feel throughout. Now this is going to be your other toilet. You have the same tile that goes throughout. You did have the carpet that was inside of the closet, which could be changed out for, tile as well, if that's what you request before they build. And the one thing that I really like to tell clients is whenever you're looking at a model home, there may be some changes or modifications that you say, hey, I love the layout, I love the way it looks, but I definitely don't like some of those fixtures. I definitely don't like certain things in the property. We can always request certain changes and modifications. Perry is usually great about accommodating customers' needs. Now, as we start heading out, I wanted to give you another pan of the living room itself. Again, wonderful living room. I mean, can you just imagine having the family, having the friends, having get-togethers, you know, maybe Bible study, maybe playing cards, dominoes, anything, and you have plenty of space in a wonderful Perry home. So gives you a gist of that again. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head to the fourth and final bedroom in this model home. And you may be wondering, what kind of floors are these? This is going to be ceramic wood-like tile. If you know anything about ceramic tile, it's a lot more durable and it just looks a little bit more pleasant, in my opinion. So this is the fourth bedroom. As you can see, you know, like I said, in the comments below, let me know, do you like the ceiling fans in the bedroom or do you like the lighting fixtures? So this one's a little bit more small, but what you can do is use this one definitely as, you know, a guest room or what have you, and have the kids over there on the left side, keep them separate. And this one's going to have its own bathroom attached to it. So again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath plus a half bath in this model. We sometimes overlook that half bath, but it definitely comes in handy at times. Great size ceilings again. You have the backsplash right there. You can just see the walk-in shower. You have enough space in there. And now we're going to head out, and then you're really going to like this. I think you have this little mini mud bench or hall tree. I wouldn't consider it a mud room because it's less than 5 feet, you know, just so that way you can put your shoes and store all that right there. And last but not least, I want to make sure that you see the backyard. So this is going to be the 55-foot lot. As you can see outside, you have the covered patio. The absolute best thing that I see about a covered patio is that you get to enjoy your backyard if it's raining, if it's hailing, if it's extremely hot and you just want to be in the shade, and anytime else you feel like it. All right, guys, so that's it for this tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel because I'm bringing property tours just like this every single week. And if you want more information about Perry Homes properties that may not be available to the public or exclusive incentives, make sure to reach out to me in the description below and I'd be happy to help. See you on the next video.